Ever get confused between desert and desert? Immigrate and immigrate? Don't worry, you are not alone. Even native speakers get messed up with this word. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will dive into 5 confusing words that look similar but have completely different meanings. So let's get the video started. So number 1, desert. Desert is the dry, sandy beach. For example, Sahara is the largest desert in the world. Dessert means a sweet dish after a meal. For example, I love chocolate dessert after my dinner. Quick tip. Remember that dessert has a double S because we always want extra sweetness in our life. Number 2 is principal and principal. Principal means the head of the school, and principle means a basic rule or belief. For example, we can say the principal gave a speech on the basic principles of the school. Number 3 is immigrate and immigrate. Immigrate means to leave your country, অর্থাৎ নিজের দেশ ত্যাগ করে অন্য কোথাও গিয়ে স্থায়ীভাবে বসবাস করা। And immigrate means to enter or settle in a new country, বা নতুন দেশে এসে স্থায়ীভাবে বসবাস শুরু করা। অর্থাৎ আপনি যখন নিজের দেশ ত্যাগ করে অন্য দেশে স্থায়ীভাবে বসবাসের উদ্দেশ্যে যাচ্ছেন, তখন সেটা হবে এমিগ্রেশন। আর যখন অন্য দেশে এসে বসবাস শুরু করেছেন, তখন সেই দেশের দিক থেকে সেটা হবে ইমিগ্রেশন। নাম্বার 4 হচ্ছে ফার্দার অ্যান্ড ফার্দার। ফার্দার বলতে অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট ডিস্টেন্স বা আরো অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়। উদাহরণস্বরূপ আমরা বলতে পারি I want to further improve my English skills, and farther বলতে physical distance কে বোঝানো হয়। এক্সাম্পল হিসেবে বলতে পারি My house is farther than him. And now, last but not the least, number 5. Number 5 is stationary and stationary. Stationary means something that is not moving. For example, we can say the car remained stationary at the traffic light. And stationery means paper, pen, or office supplies. For example, we can say I bought new stationeries for my school. And now comment down below and let me know which of these words confused you the most. I know there are many people who get confused with these words every single day. That's why I thought to make a video out of it. And if you find this video helpful, please take a moment and like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.